Take 4 fingers and wrap yarn around them. Make sure it's loose so it doesn't suffocate your fingers. Repeat this process until the yarn is thick. It should be about this thick. Next, cut the yarn. Take it off your fingers and place it beside you. Now cut a piece of yarn that's about this long. And wrap it around. Not through the middle, but around your bunch of yarn. Next, tie it. Tie it multiple times to make sure it's tight. It should look like this. Now cut the excess yarn. After you're done cutting that, you're going to start cutting the part in between. Go section by section to ensure the same size. And do it on the other side as well. Next, ensure there are no leftover pieces like this. Next, you're going to cut a piece of paper into a heart and place it on your little fluff ball. Then you're going to trim the shape out. Make it a little bigger than this paper so it doesn't look bad. And you can trim it later if you don't like it. Make sure to keep the piece of paper in the same area. You can cut out excess paper or excess yarn if it's too much. Now it might look a little weird like this, but you just need to shape it out a little bit and it'll look nice and neat like this. And now for the middle part, it's going to be a little hard, but you're just going to push down the piece of paper a little forward. And then you're going to do this through the middle part. Then you can refine the cut with the tip of your scissors. And I'll be back after I trim the rest. After trimming, this is how it looks for me. It could be different for you, that's totally fine. Now hold the center of your heart. Make sure to grip really hard. Then take a comb or a brush and lightly brush the top of the heart. If it gets tangled, please untangle it with your scissors, like you might have some spots that you didn't cut by accident. Just lightly trim those and move on. You may need to trim a little more after brushing because it may be a little messy, like you see how they're like popping out. That's totally fine. It's just like the natural process of how it works. This just lightly fluffens up the surface of your heart to look like this. You can see the process and it works. Just keep doing this until you think it looks good. So this is after combing it. It looks a little weird, but that's how it is. Trust the process. And now you're gonna start trimming it again to make sure it looks pretty. Keep doing this until your heart looks nice and neat. Do it on the other side. And keep checking how your heart looks after each cut to make sure it doesn't look different. And I'll be back after finishing my trim. Now this is the final result. Now you can add it to your favorite keychain. Or even add a cute little string to make it into your favorite Christmas ornament. Thank you for watching. Bye!